something a little different today from D6 Spanky. I was planning on saying one of these things is not like the other, but I didn't want to get hit with copyright issues, and no one wants to hear me sing. So I wanted to show you the eggs I got from my chickens. This last one here is what you call a fairy egg, sometimes called a witch egg or a cock egg. They're referred to witch eggs because people thought they were evil, and cock eggs because they thought they were laid by the rooster. But roosters cannot lay eggs. Anyway, the fairy eggs are usually about the size of a grape or marble, but can be as large as, say, a ping pong ball. And they're usually pretty rounded. There's no yolk inside. What happens is when the hen's body begins to form a yolk, for an egg before the yolk is released from her oviduct, only the white is encased in the shell. So because the yolk hasn't made it out yet. So this is really common with pullets, which are young hens that are about to start laying, and old chickens. Now, my chickens laid several of these last year, and usually some sort of disturbance, like they're stressed or whatnot. But you can see there's no yolk, and yeah, it looks really gross because this is a very old egg. I held on to it for a long time because I wanted to show. But there's nothing wrong with it. It's perfect for a little tiny egg white omelet. But just wanted to show you what a fairy egg is, because I had to do some research to find out for myself. Well, thanks for watching Channel D6 Spanky. This will be one of the few non-automotive videos coming out this year. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share.